Что вы делаете?
Не видите, стреляю.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Raccoon's Concealed Carry Weapon channel. Today I would like to talk about one of the most common debates regarding the 22 long rifle caliber in the context of its use for a concealed carry. There are several opinions on this topic, and the two most popular ones sound something like this. The 22 is designed for blinking and small game hunting, and suitable for concealed carry only if there is nothing more powerful. The another one says 22 long rifle have killed more people than any other caliber. It's better to hit with a 22 than miss with a 45. And the most common argument is that you can shoot from a 22 long rifle caliber pistol much faster and more accurately than from a 9mm. It sounds logical, because it's no secret that the 22 has almost no recoil, which allows you to return the pistol to the aiming line and fire the next shot much faster. In this video, I would not speak about the terminal ballistic of this cartridge, nor the legal aspects of for concealed carry. I just want to empirically test the claim that the 22 is significantly faster than the 9mm, and of course to have some fun on the shooting range. To do this, I will shoot 3 drills with almost identical pistols. Glock 19 Gen 5 and Glock 44 22 long rifle. For Glock 19 I will use 39mm 124 grains full metal jacket, and for the Glock 44 I will use 22 long rifle, cellar and belloc clap 40 grains round nose cartridges. First drill I'd like to try is a without drill by the Ken Hackathon. The drill requires only 5 rounds and EDPA style target. All strings begin with the firearm in a concealed holster. Each string of fire has a maximum time limit of 2.5 seconds. Okay, let's start. First string, 3 yards, 1 headshot, strong hand only. Okay, as a result we see that when shooting from the Glock 44 I gained 0.23 seconds. Let's see what happens at the next stage. String 2, 5 yards, 1 headshot using both hands on the gun. The result is similar to the first part. 22 Glock 44 allowed me to gain 0.34 seconds. String 3, 7 yards, 1 headshot using both hands on the gun. The difference is just only 0.2 seconds in favor of 22 long rifle. String 4, 10 yards, 2 body shots using both hands on the gun. In this string I was faster shooting the Glock 19. By the 0.19 seconds. Overall, if you up the math, on average the 22 long rifle pistol allowed me to spend 0.12 seconds less on each shot. Okay, wizard drill is mostly about the single shots, and my result may have been significantly distorted by the time spent presenting the gun from the holster. Let's try to shoot at drills where the main advantage of the 22 long rifle, low recoil, can be maximally used. Okay, the next drill. 2 EDPA targets, 5 yards, 2 shots in each from low ready position. Okay, the difference of 0.01 second I would rather attribute to the shot timer preciseness. Okay, let's try one more drill. 7 yards, 2 DP targets, and double Mozambique drill from low ready position. Okay, the difference is 0.18 seconds. Through the simple math, we get the result that on average 22 long rifle caliber pistol allowed me to spend less on each shot, approximately 0.05 seconds, than shooting 9mm pistol. However, keep in mind that my weight is 240 pounds and I have been shooting for 20 years. It's likely this had a significant impact on the result of this experiment. What will happen if instead of me there is a shooter with almost zero shooting experience and weight 120 pounds? Watch this in next video.